Hello, Dallas. It's the Perot Museum of Science, Dallas. Make that Perot Museum of Nature and Science. Oh yeah, there's a dinosaur in there. Ooh, look at that. It's cool. You walk under it, and then the molecules go bouncing around. Neat. Going up. Rah. Dinosaurs to space. Now we're back to dinosaurs. Lots of fossils.
Say a dinosaur egg is number 1.
Oh yeah.
And number 2 is a fossil duck egg.
A lot of things here. Look at that guy.
But what does the stuff with the monkey and stuff take?
This is my favorite dinosaur. There he is. Triceratops. And friends.
Oh, go through the hoops. Flap your wings.
Flap your wings. Yeah.
Lean back.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Good job, River. Hey.
Where you going?
5 seconds. Keep going.
Good job.
Okay. High score 96.
No, he doesn't like. I'm gonna give other people a turn. I'm gonna hog it.
Ah, look at that.
Oh.
Oh. 60. Got 10 seconds. Oh no.
If you get it, get it. Oh.
Oh no. Close. 83. Yellow.
Yellow house.
Planet. Okay. Take some time to remember it. My bird needs a body. I'm gonna be a streamlined bird.
A muscular bird.
Okay, let's go make our bird. My bird has a body. I want... Yeah, I want forks. Okay. Pointy beak, webbed feet. I'm gonna go with, yeah, talons. There's so many of these. Okay. Yeah, there's like 3 more of them over there. Okay. Plants and meat. Yeah, we're eating meat.
Meat. Ooh, fancy orange.
Fancy and ornate. Yeah, fancy. Okay, one more. Then I will trumpet. Okay. Name and meet my bird. Oh.
The fanned, the whooping zipper.
The majestic. The majestic zipper. I got one of those on my jacket. Ah, I'm hideous. Ugh. Look at my feathers, though. I sure am fancy. Or majestic, one or the other. Why am I eating plants? Oh, I'm eating worms. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, fanned chick. See it. There it is. Yep, that's a bird.
Cool. It's so cute.
Level 2. Life.
A genetic mark.
Ooh, now we get interesting stuff. Show me yours. Yours is a circle.
Oh.
Very nice.
Oh wow.
You got a nice beard.
That's David.
There's me. Freaky. Ugh. Wherever you're dancing, look at you. You're crazy. I don't know. Woo!
You gotta say reverse cup it.
Hey. How's it sound? Weird?
Daddy's in the way.
Active zone. Hey, David, give us a face. Pick a face for us. Oh, River's got one. I want a face. Ah, oh no. Level 3. I think this is energy and minerals.
Wow, God, it's really amazing. I love the vibes. Beans.
They're every day.
It gets me out of bed every day.
Gems and minerals. Keep going. That's cool. You done? Okay, close it. Yeah, that's cool.
All the way closed.
That's a nice map. LL Children's Museum. Sports. Light walls. More sports. Slow motion.
Like this.
Good job, River. There you go, that's good. Children's Museum. It's a bearded dragon. Gift shop time. Our little trees. This is what I need behind my head when I stream.
Gamer.
Yeah. No, there's no question. They have snacks here. Farewell, Perot Museum. Off to go eat. Lunch. Stairs over here. Pizza. David. Yep. Fancy, River. Dinner was good. All right, bellies are full. Next stop, toys. That's a lot of toys. Check out the Real Feel skin. Ooh, micro machines. I had so many of these. I still do. Eee. Hi, guy. Hey, I have this guy. Castle Grayskull. I don't know. More micro machines. And is that from Cochrane? Battle Cat. I need to convince River to get this. Quest.
I did watch Sequest.
Greeting
It
cards.
was the one with the top.
Okay, what's next? Donuts? Made it back. Time for dinner, then bed. Medieval times tomorrow. Okay, River, our day is done.
Yeah.
We went
Or
to
then.
the museum.
Yeah.
And we went to
then
eat.
we went.
We went to the toy store.
And then we got to go donut.
We got donuts. What was your favorite thing today at the museum?
I like seeing all the space and dinosaur stuff.
Yeah. I think my favorite.
Wait, my favorite in there was like when we like the dinosaur, like the bird stuff. Like when we got
Oh, we
the
made our birds?
stuff. No, not that one. when you get to fly.
Oh, the flying game? Yeah, that was pretty neat.
I like that.
Yeah.
That was my favorite.
Yeah, the dinosaurs are pretty cool.
What's your favorite?
Making the dinosaurs.
Mm.
Or what? I mean, making the birds.
Yeah,
and
those
looking at the
are also
dinosaurs.
my favorite. I like
That
those
was cool.
too.
Okay.
So do you know what you're going to make?
When you make the birds?
Yeah, like do you know what it's going to look like?
Nope.
What mine? I did pink, and then it didn't really turn out pink.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of turned out on the bottom, kind of like oranges, kind of. It's not really what I was thinking it would be.
Ready for bed?
Yeah.
Bedtime and medieval times tomorrow. You ready for that?
I get to be Princess Peach.
That's right.
And, Daddy, the crown's not going to be on me that well, but I'll try to just let it on me. If not, I'll just hold it.
Okay.
I might hold it up for a little bit. And then if I'm tired of holding it, I can always put it back on my head. It's kind of hard to get on my head.
Okay. We'll see it tomorrow. Okay. Good night.
Good night.